Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be showing you guys how I melt down my lace frontal in less than 10 minutes. My hair is always braided down so it won't get in the way, and I always wear a wig cap. It's best to wear a wig cap that is closest to your skin tone. Guys, this wig was custom made by Onealdaniels. I'll leave his contact in the description box. This is the second time I'm wearing this wig. I didn't film this video with a mirror, that's why I was always looking into the camera in a very funny way. I won't be talking too much in this video. I'll just let you all see what I'm going to do. Guys, just ignore any funny behaviors. I was just vibing to some Burna Boy and whiskey. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.